Hi, hopefully you are doing well. So in this video, I will just elaborate the whole requirements and dependencies which you will have to install in your PC to run the project which I have given to you. So as you know, we have developed the React.js, front-end in React.js and the backend in .NET. So let's talk about the dependencies for that. So go to the browser. Yes, go to the browser and you have to go to this website like Node.js, and here you will find the versions. Select the version and click on the Windows. If you are using Mac, then select on that and as per your requirements of your PC. So after that, you have to click on this and boom, the Node.js version will be installed on your PC and you're ready for running the project of React.js. I will share the link of GitHub and you just have to clone that project from the GitHub, and after that you will have the folder in your directory in any directory of your PC. So open that folder of React.js in your VS Code. So after that, this will be the interface for you for the front end. So if I tell you about when you will clone the project in your PC, then node modules will be missing. These node modules will be missing for you. You have to just install the node modules in your project. For that, you have to write the command of npm I and then force it for installation and click enter, because I have already installed it node modules, so I'm not going for that. After that, you have to just you have to just write the command of npm start, and after that click enter, and it will be start in your browser, and it will be shown like this. Localhost, I've already running the project in the background, so I have just put the URL in the browser and it is open for me. So you just have to write npm start and click enter, and it will be open in the browser of in any browser which you have selected by default in your PC. So this is the whole dependency and requirements for the React, for running the React project. So if I tell you about the dependency for .NET, as we have developed the APIs, backend APIs in .NET framework. So come to that, I'm working on Visual Studio. Backend is developed in Visual Studio, .NET Core Web API, and the language I've used is for C Sharp. So this is the whole project. This is the folder structure, and this is the controller. So like if I tell you about the controller, in this controller we have made the APIs like API for task, API for projects, and everything else which we have to which we required for the project, for the requirements as well. So for running that project, let me first close this project, and this button will appear for you. Click on that and it will start the project. It will run the all APIs as well. So how will you download this? So go to the browser. You just have to download the .NET SDK from Microsoft website. So latest version is .NET 8.0. So click on that and download it. After that, you have to go back and go to the Visual Studio installer. So this is the Visual Studio installer as well. If you haven't worked in .NET before, you have to download the tools for developing. So I have already downloaded the whole tools for me, which I require for making the .NET project. So I am not getting the option for that. So here you will find all the tools for getting started with .NET Core Web API. So in this in this area, you will find the option of .NET Core Web API, C Sharp language, and everything else. Just you have to click on that and make sure to check mark all these and then install while downloading. After that, open the project which you have cloned it from GitHub, and it will be open in Visual Studio like this. After that, click on that button and it will redirect you to the browser, and the APIs will be run. So this is the task management system, backend APIs, and like this, these are the two section: project and task. These are the APIs for project. These are the APIs for task and everything else. So these are the whole APIs for your project as well. So if you have any other question or query, you can ask, or you will find the tutorials from the YouTube as well, how to run the .NET application in your PC. So you can see as well. But if you have any other specific question or query, you can ask from me. Thank you.